Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to turn on or off Gmail notifications. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course go and open Google and then go to the top right corner and click on Gmail, as you can see. Then when you open Gmail, you'll have of course your obviously Gmail in front of you. Now what you need to go and do is go to the top right corner and click on the settings button here. As you can see, we have that wheel here. And then we'll click on see all settings. When you click on see all settings, you'll have of course obviously all your settings here. As you can see, you can go and scroll down to check all of them out here. And of course you need to go and find the notification settings and of course then turn them on or off. Of course, if you're having some singular emails that you're getting notifications from for some applications or some websites where you gave of course the permission for them to send you notifications, you just need to go and click on that email and of course click that you don't want to have any notifications. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.